This is in reverse, inside the engine. Noise can be heard inside the car, but not out in the engine. Give it a little bit of gas.